Hi, this is actually a simple review. Okay, this is what I have bought from the net itself. It written there, Ultrasonic Mist Water Bottle Humidifier. Okay, as you can see, instructions, it will let you know what you can do. Okay, and how to change the filter. And one thing which is quite interesting, as you can see, these are all the stuff which you can use. Okay, so it runs on a USB. It came with a cable. Okay, this is the cable, and you just need to plug it over here. Okay, done. And of course I am going to plug the USB over here. Turn on the power, and you can see okay, plus button is to make it on. Turn off the light, turn on the light, turn on the light and stop the mist, shut it off, on it. Okay, and kinda interesting gadget. And of course it says it has a capacity of draining 1 minute for 2 milliliter of water. And this thing is perfectly cold, not hot. Okay peeps, just a little bit. And okay, that's my review. Bye.